Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have kids, you know how easily they can break their devices. That's why I'm super happy to have this awesome case from CCMAO. This case is very durable feeling and really holds on snugly to the tablet. It comes in two separate pieces so that you can interlock everything on and it stays nice and secure. The tablet case is made out of a silicone material on the outside, so it really provides lots of shock protection. In addition, the case has a nice kickstand feature, so you can prop the tablet up whether you're seated at a counter or even on your lap. The case can be placed vertically or horizontally with that kickstand. In addition to the great color, I feel that this case keeps the tablet nice and secure. In fact, I love it so much because it's nice and thin that I would go for this case as well. My daughter loves it, and the best part is we can feel nice and secure knowing that her tablet, a great investment, will be protected. But that's just my point of view.